Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saralia Salsabila Azzahra from class 1C English Education. I want to explain how to wash dirty clothes in washing machine.
The first, put the dirty clothes into washing machine. The second, turn the electricity on. The third, fill the washing machine with enough water. Next, put the detergent into washing machine. Turn the washing machine on to wash the clothes. And wait until it stops. The sixth, throw the washing water. The seventh, fill the washing machine with enough water to rinse. Put the fragrance into washing machine. Next, turn the washing machine on to rinse and wait until it stops. The tenth, throw the rinse water. Next, put the clothes into dryer machine. And turn the dryer machine on, then wait until it stops. And the last, dry the clothes in the sun.
So the function of this next procedure is to clean the dirty clothes using the washing machine to make it easier and faster. I think that's enough. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.